Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. It's your Braidspreneur here, and I am Kamara, and I'm gonna show you how to do just a basic cornrows, just 2 cornrows going down, also known as the boxer braids. It's what you can do before you get ready for bed, and it's very simple, as you guys can see. I still got my buns. I'm gonna take my band off. Yeah, so this is what my hair looks like now. It's really grown. So what you need is your hands and your fingers, of course, and what you're going to be using while doing cornrows is your index finger and your thumb. The rest of this you can use to grab the hair as you go along. Also, you will need a wide tooth comb and your pintail comb, yeah, to do the parts. So very quickly, before I teach you to do the cornrows, you need to know about a braid, yeah, a single braid, yeah. So I'm just gonna demonstrate. So I'm gonna take a piece of hair right here, okay, sorry, just a piece of hair, yeah. So now the difference between a cornrow basically is like a single plait, but it's lying down, yeah. Or if you can imagine corn as the vegetable, yeah, how it is, cornrows. So single plaits is just the single ones on their own. So I'm going to demonstrate that, then it's easier to do the cornrow. So with the plaits, you take 3 sections, so that's 1, 2 and 3, yeah. So you gotta make sure you hold your 2 hands, your right hand thumb and index is all in one section. So you can also use your right hand and your left hand to hold the other section in the middle and the one towards your left. So you got a right, a middle and a left. So all you need to do, yeah, so you're going to plait it. So some people like to use their left index finger if you're left-handed, or if you're right-handed like most people. So what you do, you put your index finger to the left section, you grab and you pull the middle through, and you use your left index going to grabbing the right section, yeah. You only let go when you're about to do the same sequence. So you pull your right index and thumb grabbing the middle, holding the left, and then the same to the right. So it's just the same sequence, yeah. So this is single plait. It's quite easy. So that's single plait, yeah. So that's single plait basically, yeah. So I'm gonna undo that quickly. Alright guys, yeah, now it's a quickie. It's just, let's say you've gone out all day, you're ready for bed. You never go to bed with your afro hair like this, otherwise when you wake up it's going to be really hard, and it's going to be very hard to comb and to detangle, and you don't want to cry in pain, or you're in pain, or your scalp is tense. So you can use the wide tooth comb or the pintails. You can use the metal section. So what you need to do, you need to divide your hair from the middle on the top. So you do this all the way going down. It doesn't have to be too neat because you're practicing with me, yeah. So all the way down like so. Turn around, yeah. So that's perfect for now. And then you can use your wide tooth comb and just give it a little comb. Just comb all the little knots that I've gathered during the day. And you comb the right section. Okay, now we're ready for the cornrow. So I'm gonna start with the left side. Okay, now remember the single plait it's a standing one. It's the same sequence, only this time it's gonna lay down, and then as you cornrow, you're grabbing the hair as you are plaiting it, but it's lying down this time. So I'm gonna start. So you take 3 sections, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so you use your left or your right, depends if you're left hand or right hand. So you don't let it stand the time, you're grabbing the hair as you go along. So see, so you grab as you go along, you grab again, and you're cornrowing. So you're making sure your partition is neat. So this is for beginners. It's always good to grab the basics. See? So you continue like that. That you grab as you go along. Stick grab. And then when you get to all the way down, and this is where you get your single plait. Yeah? So then you can just finish it off. Can you see? Same sequence. And then you can let go. You can do just a little twist to the tip. Yeah? See? Fabulous. I'm gonna do the other side now. So again, you take 3 sections, 1, 2, 3. So you're gonna start the index grabbing the right side, or the opposite if you're left hand or right hand. So you don't let go. Remember, it's lying down, or like single plait, it's standing on its own. With the cornrow, it's the same, but you're grabbing the hair as you go along. So like so. See, you grab, you grab, you grab. Remember, you want it to be neat so that your line can show. You're getting ready for bed. You grab, you grab, there you go. So it's the same sequence. We're gonna do that all the way. Okay, and again, your single plait towards the end. You can see how it makes sense talking about the single plait first. Yeah, and then you just finish it off. And then you can just do a little twist to the tip. Let's see, guys. Can you see? We've done a fabulous job. Let me do this again. Okay guys, this is just a very simple cornrow for beginners, especially if you're getting ready for bed. my advice is for all my Afro hair clients, I appreciate your messages and your questions. The thing is with Afro hair needs a lot of touch and a lot of romance. From experience, you don't go to bed with your Afro hair without being sectioned like this or four big plaits or twist, because otherwise it gets matted very easily and it needs a lot of moisture. So this is a very simple cornrow, especially if you're getting ready for bed or if you're just gonna stay at home for the next couple of days before you think of doing something else. So this is it, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be doing another video on the 20th of this month of May. It's gonna be more in-depth on cornrows, so you guys can learn. And then feel free to send me any questions. You can message me as well. And the products are on my online shop on Amazon. They call it UK shop, official Anaya Hair and Beauty. And you know, I always respond to your questions. So that's it, guys. So make sure you subscribe to this video, to this channel, sorry, and make sure you will like, give a thumbs up, leave your comments and share. Sharing is caring, I always say that. And yeah, I'll be seeing you guys on Wednesday again, the 20th. I'm so excited. All right, guys, I'm getting ready for bed myself. I had my bath and look at my bare face. I'm still pretty though. All right, guys, so next time, take care of yourself, stay safe and be wise. Bye.